So I've received a question on how do I set the buttons and you don't have a press. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do it. So I'm going to start with the nice side of the snap. We want it to be facing out here. Stick it to the hole. It's going to eventually snap here. So put a cloth down, microfiber cloth, so it won't scratch it too much. And now we're going to start the process. We're going to start with the big screwdriver. Well, it's just a number 2 screwdriver. And what I want to have is a butterfly effect. So let's try it. And I think we did it. Now, with the flat center punch, with one of the flat punches, I'm gonna start spreading these legs to the side. Like that. Then with something about this size, this one is a, there you have it. I'll put it in the center, and now I want to flatten it out. Looks like that. I don't know if you can hear the rattle. You want that rattle because what makes the snap is the piece of wire that's inside of it. And if any of those legs touches that inside wire, the button won't work. Let me go ahead and point it out to you. There is a wire here, this wire, and that wire has to be loose for the button to work. If any of these, come on, focus. If any of these legs right here touch that wire, the button is not gonna work properly. We want this one to close here, snap here. So we're gonna put this one from the bottom. This one on top. We're gonna grab again the small screwdriver on the post, that center, hit it. You see it's split it in 4. Now grab the punch. So there you have it.